Hello, and thank you for joining me at the Brenton Lofts in Davenport, Iowa. I'm going to give you a virtual tour of Unit 205. This is an A floor plan. Offering a galley kitchen when you enter. There's a double closet here to the left, offering lots of storage space. Got additional shelving on the right. Your bathroom is to the right off your entryway, offering a full-size washer dryer, shower and tub combo. They do have medicine cabinets that open up for additional storage as well. Nice space in the vanities. Your kitchen offers a full-size appliance package, offering your dishwasher, cabinets with adjustable shelving, you've got faucets with spray nozzles and soap dispensers, over-the-range microwaves and electric ovens and stove tops. Your refrigerators come with ice makers. So you do have the automatic ice makers in there. Floor to ceiling windows. They've got energy efficient heating and cooling systems. Lots of natural lighting throughout. Your bedroom is off to the left here, off of your kitchen area. It does have the sliding door. Gives it a nice industrial appearance. A double closet in your bedroom. Another heating and cooling system in the bedroom. Thank you for joining me at the Brenton Lofts in Davenport, Iowa.